good, YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about the upcoming sneaker releases of July. I'm not going to be doing in order from 1 to 10. I'm not going to be doing it from best to worst. I'm just going to be talking to you guys about the upcoming sneakers, and I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I want to know what you guys are going to be picking up, and we're just going to basically do a discussion video today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Before we get started with talking about all the sneaker releases that are upcoming, be sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and go follow me over on Instagram. I always appreciate the love and support over there as well. So the first couple sneakers that I want to talk about are actually sneakers that released on the first week of July. I know there's a couple sneakers that are actually dropping on July 7th, a couple good sneakers actually. I think my favorite pair that's dropping on July 7th is actually the Air Jordan 3 Quay 54. Hopefully it's Quay and not Quai. I'm gonna say Quay. These are actually dropping on July 7th for $190. I actually like these threes. They're actually really cute. I love the pink, the green, and the blue hints on them. This is actually a sneaker that's inspired by the street ball tournament. Also dropping on July 7th, we also have the Yeezy Black 500s, the utility black. And I know a lot of people are really into the chunky, bulky shoes now. If I were to choose though, I would probably do the Desert Rats over these. I think they're too plain for me. They look like you're about to go cleaning or something. Also on July 7th, we're also going to be having the Nike Little Posite Pros, the Gym Blue. These will be retailing for $180. Also got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Hyper Royals. These I do not like. Okay, I can do blue sneakers, but I can't do that much blue. Like, that's just like a full blue sneaker. We have the Nike React Elements, the 87 sales. Those are going to be dropping for $160. Again, this is another bulky dad shoe that I feel like a lot of people are going to be wanting. With me, I think I kind of like these more than the utility blacks, the Adidas Yeezys. I actually have a nice colorway. I like that cream and the red. Also releasing on July 14th. This is actually another sneaker that I actually do like as well. They have a light aqua colorway with some orange hints in there. These are again going to be releasing on July 14th for $140 for grade school sizing. I don't know how you guys feel about these, but these, I'm not really feeling them. It's the Jordan Legacies 312s or 312s. These are really bulky shoes. They're ugly to me. They're going to be releasing on July 14th as well. These are all passes for me. I'm good on those. Those are not sticking with me. We also got some Adidas EGT supports, the mid glows. This is a weird color combo in my opinion. It's like a lime green. It kind of looks like an orange brown from the photos. These are a pass for me. These are actually going to be releasing on July 19th. These will be retailing for $160. We also got some Nike Air Vapor Maxes, the red orbits. These are going to be dropping on July 19th and they will be retailing for $190. On July 21st, we're also going to get a 10 dropping this month. It's going to be the Air Jordan 10 Cement. These are actually pretty funky. I don't know if I like them or not. My cement 4s actually have that same cement effect that the cement 10s are going to be having this month. The cement on my 4s, I don't know how I feel about the whole sneaker having that speckling effect. There's another sneaker that's dropping on July 21st that I kind of like. I don't know how I feel about them. They're kind of dope because they're kind of weird, but they have a lot going on them. But I also feel like they're pretty feminine and really, really cute. I feel like they'll be really cute for the summer with some shorts. And they are actually the Para Nike Air Max 1 White collab that's going on, the pure platinum. These are dope. I love the different patterns that's on the sneaker. You usually don't typically see that very often. And on July 27th, we have an off-white Nike Air Presto release. Those will be releasing again on July 27th for $160. The same date, we had the Air Jordan 13 Women's, the Phantom. These will be retailing for $190. I like the snakeskin material, but I don't know if I actually like the sneaker as a whole. However, I most likely, if I do pick them up again, this will be a sneaker that I get on sale. And then on July 28th, we're gonna have the triple white 3s. They're gonna be retailing for $190 and then $140 for grade school. I know I kind of skipped this date, but I definitely know I need to mention these because I know Justin Timberlake is gonna be dropping another pair of his 3s. They are gonna be releasing on July 9th for $200 retail. These are gonna be really dope. I wish they were dropping them in grade school, but of course, you know, dope men releases, they never do grade school, which kind of hurts my feelings a little bit because sometimes I want to get some of those releases that they have, but you know, with little feet, that's a little foot problem. I wear a size 4 in grade school, so I'm like really like just making it with the men releases sometimes, because y'all know sometimes with the men's the lowest they go is 4, but for the most part they usually start around 7, size 7. I definitely recommend these. If these were in my size or dropping them in my size, these would definitely be in my top 5 as far as like sneakers releasing this month, possibly my top 3. And then the last sneaker that I'm going to be mentioning for sneaker releases in July, it's going to go to the Nike M2K Techno sneaker. These are rumored to be dropping this month as well. These are actually going to be retailing between 100 and 170. Again, this is another chunky dad shoe that I actually think are pretty cute. It kind of reminds me of my Yeezy 700s, which are actually have that hints of orange, and then you got those light blues and then the creams and the whites. These are definitely cool. I think this is a more affordable option for those of you who can't get the Yeezys or can't buy them on resale or can't buy them on retail, because you know Yeezy releases are always crazy. They're always crazy and stressful. They are so stressful, especially on that Adidas website. It's just, you're on there for at least 3 or 4 hours trying to cop just one sneaker. Like, it is ridiculous. For the most part, that's all the sneakers that I felt were worth mentioning to you guys that's releasing this month. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, let me know in the comment section below what you guys will be copying this month. I'm definitely interested in what your top 5 or your top 3 sneakers of the month are going to be. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. And again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace. Go, go.